boys and girls, we are going to be unboxing this box, Bilingual Musical Cow Toy. Oh my goodness, this cow is bilingual. It's going to be speaking different languages other than English. Volume control, language switch, English and Spanish. Yoo-hoo! My scissors here. Cut that. Cut this side. Do you like opening toys, boys and girls? This is an educational toy. Okay. Let's see, and there's one on this side too. Da-da, it should sing a song. Oh, the Mexican hat dance. I wish I remembered how that one goes. Oh my gosh, things are falling out, boys and girls. There's a lot of stuff in here. Woo! Okay, an empty box there. Look at this. Isn't that cute? What a cutie. Oh my gosh. Moms and dads, your kids will love this. Right, boys and girls? You'll love this. Okay, now. I had to get my husband to help me. He had to put the batteries in because this is quite a toy. It plays music and does the numbers, does the letters of the alphabet. It even moves. So let's go through these. Let's see here. Here is the knob here. You can do it in English or in Spanish. So let me try with English first. Let's see. Always hold it here so you can lift it up. Okay, there we go. Oh my goodness! It's already moving. Woo! You gotta put this on the floor, boys and girls. He has a mind of his own. Let's press number 1, boys and girls. See what happens.
1 cow.
Wow!
2.
2 what?
Dogs.
Oh my goodness, boys and girls. It goes through the numbers plus different animals. Let's see number 3.
3 cats.
Wow. Okay, I'm going to now, see here? I'm going to switch it to Spanish. Let's try number 1 for Spanish.
Una vaca.
Now it does all of those different animals in Spanish.
Dos perros.
This is so awesome, especially if you're trying to learn another language. Like if you're trying to learn English, you can do this. And you can, if you're trying to learn Spanish, you do this. You can learn Spanish.
3 gatos.
Oh, I love that. Let's see what's on the back side here. Okay, the letters. So let's try the letters.
A es para amarillo. B es para viene. C es para 5.
Now that was in Spanish. Let's switch it to English. Oh, I've got to do it. I've got to switch over here to English.
English mode.
Okay, English mode. Here we go for the alphabet.
A is for apple. B is for baby. C is for candy.
Okay, now here's
A is for apple.
music too. If you want to have your alphabet, learn your ABCs with music.
B is for baby. Baby is for candy.
Like apple. And I have some videos. I have a lot of videos that do this. If you're trying to learn the letters of the alphabet, all the sounds, phonics, and all kinds of animals. Okay, boys and girls, we're going to go to the top of our cow. It looks like some music notes here. So that's telling me it's going to be music. Let's see what music they have for us. Now let's turn it on. Ooh, Old McDonald. Cow. Oh my gosh, it goes to so many different songs. Let's keep on punching this, pressing it. B-I-N-G-O.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, never be afraid to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Did you clap with me? Let's go to the next one. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of different songs in this. Then it goes back. It seemed like there were 5 or 6 children's songs that we just love, right? Okay, boys and girls, let's see. I think I hit all of them. Boys and girls, when you have your little cow, I shouldn't say little, that's quite a big cow there. It does a lot of things. Here is the leash, and it comes in different parts. You can pull these apart, so I'm thinking they did that so no one gets hurt. If it gets caught around the child, it will unhook itself. So I'm going to hook this right on this thing. Push it in. There it goes. And then your child just pulls this around. And when it's all lit up, boys and girls, woo, your child's going to have so much fun. Let's get it all lit up here. See, they can pull it around, but you have to set it on the movement mode. So. And that movement mode is underneath here, where you're going to push it. There it goes. Whoa! Your child is going to have so much fun with this. Yes. Wow. And when it bumps into something, it'll move. Boys and girls, check out my channel. I go through the letters of the alphabet from A to Z on my Sunday Hepner YouTube channel, and they're all free. I have about 100 videos, so you're going to be seeing all kinds of animals, all kinds of plants, all kinds of vegetables, everything you can think about that is good for a child to learn about. So I will see you the next time unboxing educational toys. Bye.